guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have something very special behind me which I believe does not need an introduction. So yes, today I'll be doing a very quick walk around on this 1994 Toyota Mark IV Supra, also known as the A80 Supra. I'm sure most of you car enthusiasts are aware of the hype when it comes to this Toyota Supra. We've all seen it in movies like The Fast and Furious and games like the Gran Turismo and Need for Speed. Another reason for the popularity of this Supra is its tuning potential, especially on this 2JZ GTE VVTi engine. In stock form, this 2JZ engine pushes out 280 horsepower and 413 Newton meters. It is proven that this engine on stock internals can push out up to 700 horsepower, which is why this 2JZ engine is also known as the Bulletproof Engine. Compared to other performance cars, it is still relatively easy to make power out of the Supra, whilst it's still being reliable. So this Supra I have here in front of me is actually for sale with a price tag of Rm360,000. However, this is no ordinary Supra, and let me show you why. So yes, it is a Targa top and there are only a handful of these in Malaysia. So this particular unit is also in bone stock condition, which is really rare to find one that is not actually modded. The owner has also just repainted his car last week in this very nice white. Now let's head over to the interior. It's my first time sitting in this Mark IV Supra and I'm really impressed with the build quality. Also keeping in mind that this car was made in 1994. If you look closely here at the interior, it also reminds me of a fighter jet, which is really cool. This interior definitely looks ahead of its time, and the condition, as you can see, is still very mint. So this is definitely a very good interior. Let's start this car. If you are interested in purchasing this Supra, you'll also be getting a R154 5-speed manual gearbox including the full conversion kit. There has been 40,000 ringgit worth of restoration done on this Supra, making it one of the most mint condition Supras I've ever seen. More details for this Supra is in the description below. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick walk around on this rare Toyota Mark IV Targa Top Supra. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more awesome car reviews like this in the future. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this will be the next car we're going to be reviewing, the GTR.